Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is Boss Vision, where I share with you all everything you need to know about making candles. If you clicked on this video, you're probably struggling with how to get your business up and running. Yes, if that's you, I got you. Today's video will be a full review of how to get an LLC with Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands is one of the most affordable and easy to use sites to get your business started, and they help you apply with just 3 easy steps. All you need to do is find your state, make sure your business name is available. Because it comes with all the services that are required for your LLC, they're going to ask you several qualifying questions to better understand what stage your business is at. You're able to complete this otherwise extremely time-consuming process in minutes, and they help you get set up for success. With an LLC, you're able to manage your finances carefully by keeping an accurate record and tracking your expenses. Yeah, so they'll save you hours of searching on the internet for ways to get your business established, because everything you need is right here, all in one place. That way, you're able to stay on top of your cash flow and to make the right decision. An LLC helps you stay adaptable to change as your business grows. It helps you be willing to pivot your strategy as, the market changes, the demand for your certain products increases or decreases. It keeps you prepared. It has been a game changer in protecting my personal credit and building out my business. And encouraging, period. Here's the path towards your dream business. So Tailor Brands really thought of everything just as it relates to setting you up for success. They help you get your business insurance. It's super important in the beginning to make sure you do eliminate liability if anything goes awry, anything goes crazy, with your candles especially. So I really love that they have that already built into the software, and they give you insights into which licenses and permits you need, as well as how to set up a bank account, because girl, if you didn't know already, you need to get a business bank account with your EIN to build business credit. Yes, that'll get you that funding that you need long term to get off Klarna and QuadPay. And then they help you with so many other benefits as it relates to your business email, and to make sure your taxes are set up for success too. If you are not writing stuff off, what you doing? I have a video on how to make the proper write-offs. I'll link it down below. But these tax experts actually specialize in getting small business owners the maximum deduction. So it's not going to be just your normal write-offs. They're really making sure that you get your business set up for success and you are not paying more than you have to. When you log in, as you can see, I created a custom domain and a custom logo with Tailor Brands here for fresh scents. From there, they give you actionable items to get this accomplished with securing that domain and then registering your business here. It's super easy. All you do is select form your LLC, and you have to choose your state here, as I mentioned before, which is very convenient. They want to put you at your best foot forward to make sure that you're getting the best rates in your county or state, all of that. There's even a YouTube video to walk you through it, and then they make sure that they have the accurate business name. The reason why your business name is important on your LLC is because when you apply for your Duns and Bradstreet number, which we'll get into in later videos, but you need to understand more about your business credit number, which is called a Duns and Bradstreet number. They'll verify your business name from your LLC, so this is very critical. And just from there, they focus on what stage the business is in and identifying whether or not you are in this for real or you're just playing. Is this your main income? They really want to qualify this to understand whether or not you need additional solutions. So just from there, you just continue through the qualification questions to really drive in on what you're currently doing. Put in your information here, and they'll even let you know why. All this means is that you'll be contacted regarding your LLC. And boom, you're done. So as you can see here, you're able to get a registered agent to better protect your privacy. These agents from Tailor Brands help you set your best foot forward, or you can find your own agent, which is very dangerous. But just with that, it is an additional cost, which comes out to be much cheaper than if you were to get an additional agent externally. Your agent here with Tailor Brands, and then just from there, yes, definitely get it on your own. And then just in terms of compliance, you should do that on your own, and then select next. But the additional building tools are very helpful. To make sure that you are first in line, there are great tools to speed up the process on Tailor Brands. There's also ensure that your status is safe with an operating agreement. It is an additional fee, but it helps in the long run. And then business insurance, as I mentioned before, super important for you to focus on getting business insurance in case there are any candle problems that you don't want to be liable for. And there, you're done. So just with what we've selected, the LLC, expedited process, 1 year free domain, 8 free logos, full website builder, you get a digital business card, you get business card tools. It's the best of everything. It literally costs $249, but without the registered agent, it can be actually $49. So it literally costs $374, but without the registered agent, it could be $174. Very cost effective. This is so much cheaper than what I was doing and 3 years ago trying to get my business set up. So I definitely say get started with Tailor Brands. They'll help you get this done efficiently with a cost-effective price. Oh my God, yes, guys. So with an LLC, you're able to manage all of your business expenses as well as your business income in a separate place. I still remember in 2020 making the mistake of not using Tailor Brands, not researching, easier resources and just going with what everyone else said to do and, signing up individually. And I remember spending thousands of dollars on separate accounts, such as, your bank account, business insurance, all that stuff back then. And now it's just like, I'm so glad I found this resource because it's able to save so much money and make everything so much easier to understand for us. I mean, just the fact that Tailor Brands lets you set up your logo, your business domain, your LLC, your business taxes, your checking account with your EIN, this is unheard of. They really want to make sure you win. If there's one thing that we need as small business owners is a simple solution to cut out all of the confusion and all of the grunt work. This type of information is not even readily available to us because in America, they really do not want us to get this right. Like, this country was designed for us to clock in and clock out and take an hourly wage. When you make the decision of actually owning your own outcomes, changing the narrative on your life and starting your own business, it's something that you need to make sure is as accurate as possible to ensure you do not run into any challenges down the line. You have to make sure it's as accurate as possible to make sure that you don't run into any tax credits, tax issues down the line, or any kind of liability as you progress and expand. That's where Tailor Brands comes in. Let this video be a sign that you need to click the link in my description and get your LLC that you've been putting off for so long. And make sure you sign up for your business account that you also need to acquire, that you've been ignoring and trying to avoid. Don't avoid it. Today is the day. I mean, we're pushing almost 2024. You don't want to run into a scenario where your business is not set up for success and you do have to pay additional. I hope this video was helpful. Comment down below if it was, or what you'll be doing if you're going to be starting your LLC with Tailor Brands very soon. I want to see how you found success with their solution, because they really have everything there in terms of your web design, revenue, organized. It's just bomb. And I hope you all enjoyed the rest of your day, your week, your next hour. Just living your purpose and love life. Okay, bye.